It's day 3 of the West Indies T20 Breakout League. Match number 5 right here at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy. It is Jamaica Titans taking on Guyana Rainforest Rangers. Well, in terms of the two teams, oh, look at those flags fluttering in the wind right here. Jamaica Titans. Coin fell in the favor of Ramal Lewis, and he said they're going to have a bat first. He says that they're better at chasing. They're looking to do a lot better than they did with bat in hand when they played that first game. Guyana, Carlos Brathwaite alongside of me. Carlos, take us through this one.
Kevlon Anderson, the obvious standout. They'll be wanting more from him. The top 3, Rivaldo Clark, Sukwa and Kevlon Anderson. It's imperative that they continue the starts that they've given them and go even further. Nell Smith has been good. Jadair Blade, same thing. Latif, young leg spinner, along with Kevin Sinclair, have to come to the party with ball in hand for them.
Jadair Blades, he has come to the party. He's picked up early wickets in all of the games that they have played. In fact, picked up the first wicket of this T20 Breakout League. He'll be hoping that he can continue to show his form here. Leroy Lugg, he's hoping to give it a tug. Yeah, he's at the top of the order once again for Jamaica Titans. He's alongside Kirk McKenzie, who too will be looking to get some runs. Got a run of ball 34 in game number 1. He'll be looking to be explosive here at the top. Take advantage of these power play overs. There's that bounce that we've seen from this pitch, number 6. Oh, how close is this? As close as it gets. Jadair Blades does what he has done all tournament long. He gets the early breakthrough.
This is sensational fast bowling. 2 length deliveries, back of a length, with his weight back, pitching it right up, swinging it back. And they would have probably hit all 3. Jadair Blades continues his good start with the new ball. The Titans lose the first. They're 2 for 1.
Oh, a bit of a misfeel. Releases the shackles, so to speak. First boundary of the afternoon. Upish, and will be safe as well. 4 and 6. 10 in 2 for McKenzie. Gets it this time, Kirk McKenzie, getting the wheels moving. A shot of confidence for him.
Work.
Excellent from Jordan Johnson. This time he decides to become a member of the party. This time it's off the back foot. And yet again, a shot of class. Gets it through again. 4-4-4. What a statement this has been in this over. He's gotten this. 1 bounce over the ropes. Goes straight, and that is the highlight of the day. Kirk McKenzie, where have you been hiding this talent?
He's grown in confidence in this innings, young Jordan Johnson. This is promising. And this is intelligent from McKenzie. Still wants to and will get it as well. It's been an innings filled with intent from the senior batter in this Titans team. He's played 3 seasons of the CPL. We're seeing that experience come to the fore. Given it's an excellent comeback from Kevin Sinclair, who went for runs against McKenzie in the power play.
Yeah, trying to repeat the previous stroke. This time the line was much straighter, bowling from round the wicket. It looked good live. He was outside off stump, but that front foot going straight down the line. The only question for the umpire would be whether or not it's sliding down the leg side. He didn't think so. Mackenzie, after a very well played half century, has to go 74 for 2.
Well placed. Anderson has work to do. And yeah, it will get there in the end. It's just all about the placement. Too much for Anderson to do in the end. That is brilliant innovation. This is the talent that the region has been speaking about. Would you believe that has gone on to the stumps? I think it may be off of Clark. No, Johnson's walking. He's going. It took a while to get there, but you can see again, trying to be innovative with the reverse sweep. That has gone on to the stumps.
Yeah, ricochets off the arm and onto the stump. I was just asking, what is he going to do next, having gotten the boundary of the previous ball? 7 runs coming from the over and still looking to go hard through the middle. Brings about his demise, and 2 new batters at the crease. Jordan Johnson, 30 from 16, 86 for 3.
Oh, the execution was brilliant on that one, Rambaran. Taking advantage of the matchup. It's a brilliant shot and a brilliant result as well. Rambaran has looked good since he's been at the crease. A statement to close out the over. 4, and the greatest of them all. It's the 6 from Rambaran. He knows he has to get it moving on. Oh, that ball has got wings. It can fly, I tell you that.
Very well played. He gets the placement only just. The timing was good enough as well. Has been a steady flow of runs for the Titans. They're running between the wickets as well. Generally good. That looks close. It looks really close. Wonder how powerful the throw was. They're celebrating. Does he break the stumps in time? Yes, he does. So good throw from in the deep. Good job from the bowler as well. And the partnership is finally broken. A good partnership of 56. Yeah, he goes for 36. 143 for 4, the Titans. Yeah, gone. Simple catch for Quinton Sampson. Not enough connection. You can understand what he was after. Ramal Lewis, the captain of the Titans, but he goes without scoring. Didn't middle it.
Yeah, into the wicket, no pace from Blades. And the line was good as well, outside of off stump, meaning that Lewis had to fetch it from outside off stump to drag it back straight or to the side with the wind. That was his first ball. He won't see a second. 145 for 5, the Titans.
The wicket, another slower delivery into the surface. Exactly what Niall Smith was trying to do, and even better execution.
Very good cricket. Set the field for it, into the wicket. Short fine leg is a lot finer. And he's the one that poached the catch. Zion Brathwaite gone for a run of ball 29. The Titans 153 for 6.
Chance at the non-strikers, and he's gone. There was a little bit of a collision, but very good work from the wicketkeeper. Direct hit.
Good short ball again. Not sure, Anderson. And direct hit from Rivaldo Clark with the gloves. Dietmar Anderson goes for 5. The Titans 155 for 7.
Taken. Another slower delivery into the surface. from Blades. Yeah, they can smile now. The leading wicket taker so far in the tournament adds to his tally.
Clinical again from Blades. Pace off, using that angle, taking it out of the hitting heart of the right-hander. And Javar Royal goes around the ball 459 for 8, the Titans.
Yeah, that's 3 Yorkers in succession. They've taken on the hand. This time he's gone quite comfortably. Run out. Going back for 2, but simple fielding.
Yeah, he's simply trying to get the better batter on strike. Or so I would think. You've seen that intent to try to get the better batter to maximize most of the deliveries in the last over. Gavasta Edmund lost his wicket, 164 for 9.
Wonderful stuff from Niall Smith and the Rainforest Rangers. They've just gotten themselves 2 bonus points for economy in the final 5 overs and dismissing the opposition.
Superb from Smith. Full, straight, you miss, I hit, timber.
Jamaica Titans winning the toss and deciding to bat first. Mackenzie was brilliant with his 51 from 31. Johnson 30 from 16. A couple scores of note from Brathwaite and Rambaran. Good partnership between those two. But thereafter, look at that. Single digits, 0, 5, 4, 6, and 2. 166 is where they end. They had some healthy partnerships which set up a platform, 72 and 57, Mackenzie and Johnson, and then Brathwaite and Rambaran. 166 though is where they end.
The Guyana Rainforest Rangers led once again by Jediah Blades, 3 for 25. Niall Smith ending as standing captain, capturing 2 for 29. The all-important last wicket as well, to give them 2 points, 2 bonus points. And what a recovery from them. 29 for 7 in the last 5 overs. Sensational bowling performance in the back end of the innings.
Well, that means therefore that the Rainforest Rangers can get to 167 to register their first win. Remember, it's almost desperation time for the Rainforest Rangers.
Out they come, the Titans. Both teams, remember, hungry and desperate for a win. You can see from the body language they feel quite confident at this stage. The weather's looked glorious all day. And the surface has been good.
Tickles this one fine though. Boundary to get going, Sukwa.
Only his second boundary in the power play this tournament, Rivaldo Clark, but this is what he's capable of. That came back a long way off the pitch. May have rolled his fingers over it.
He had been getting the ball to angle back into the right-handers previously though. Yeah, it does seem to be a cutter of sorts. Maybe hard done, but a judge LBW nonetheless. Sukwa has to walk back for 4 runs, 14 for 1.
The sound off the bat tells you the type of nick Kevlon Anderson has been in. They're just able to get it past the deep point fielder. That is gorgeous. The use of the feet and then the execution. Make that 3 boundaries in the over. He's looked a different player today, Clark. 38 for 1. straight to the fielder. The wind would have helped because it's hitting with the wind. Nonetheless, though, it's a second wicket for the Titans in the power play.
Yeah, and the bowling change works immediately for Ramal Lewis and the Titans. A bit fuller, couldn't get back in time to get the hands through. Picks out Javere Royal on the boundary. He's in the action again. Yeah, Clark has to walk back after a handy start. Goes for 24, Clark. 43 for 2.
And is met with a shot of the highest order. This is the form of Kevlon Anderson. Adjust the length. Too short and put away. Goes pace off. And Anderson puts the pace back onto it. Oh, he delivers the punch. Anderson won the battle, but Brathwaite has won the war. What a comeback this is to close out the over.
Full, straight, furniture disturbed. Zion Brathwaite finishing the over the way any bowler would want. Timber. Kevin Anderson gone for 21. The Rainforest Rangers 55 for 3.
Things like this happen where you find that edge. No slip in place. It runs away to the boundary. Once again, Carlos, that slip not in place. Once again, bowling the ideal delivery. And once again, pays a price that he has not earned. Launches. And just over. By millimeters, but you look at where he was positioned on the boundary royal. But they needed that. Edge found. And at long last, they've been able to break the partnership. Dakers gets his first. And that's half the side down now.
A wild heave across the lane. Right foot way down the leg side, and he has to swing. Could only manage an edge through to the wicketkeeper. Rainforest Rangers lose their fourth. A painstaking innings from the captain. Savory walks back for 25. 117 for 4.
Well, this one has gone far, but not far enough. Jordan Johnson. Oh, he's cupped it. Sinclair needed to go. You can't blame him.
Yeah, almost impossible task for Kevin Sinclair. But excellent execution from young Zion Brathwaite. His second wicket today. He's gone into the surface, wide, asked Sinclair to fetch it if he wanted to hit it with the wind. Yeah, he comes up trumps. Sinclair has to walk back for just 119 now with half the side down.
Crunch that. Oh, wowzers. That is the muscles of Sampson. But they will need some more. 17 gone, 130 for 5. Does he middle? Yes, he middles. A big over is what they need, and that will help. Crunches that, but not far enough. Oh, he has danced with danger, but he's come up trumps, Kirk McKenzie. Indiana, fantastic grab.
He's been brilliant all day, hasn't he? What's key here is the length, and again, it is into the wind. Had he been hitting that the next direction, it probably would have gone for 6, but what great balance and awareness from Kirk McKenzie. Tamari Redwood has won the crucial wicket of Quentin Sampson, has to walk back for 8, 141 for 6.
Ned gets under it, gets enough as well. Ned goes, but does not get the distance this time. Oh, he's put down. McKenzie. Oh, he took one at the other end. This time he's put it down. How much will that cost them? Final 6 to go, 154 for 6. Dakers finds the timber. He finds the woodwork and has that sealed their fate.
He's nailed that one. And Ashmi Ned does not have an answer for it. Full, straight, off the bat, into that off stump. Yeah, he's come up trumps for his side. Dickers, at a crucial moment, gets the big wicket of Ashmi Ned. Ned walks back for 11, 157 for 7.
That length, they get that one. They come back for 2. They're asking the question, and we'll probably go upstairs. Looked on first glance as if maybe he's back quite safely.
They don't lose a wicket, and importantly, it's another run. So they get 2 from that ball.
Oh, does he clear it? Oh my, does it have it? Oh no. Oh, it kept us on a knife's edge. But in the end, it is victory to Jamaica Titans. They get their first win of this breakout league. They held their nerves. And they have come out trumps. You just wonder, did Niall Smith get enough? It was going, but unfortunately never gone. Needed that boundary. A run out to close things. Keeper gets it right. And the Titans, they'll be happy with this. They get up over and they get points onto the board. This is where things ended. Jamaica Titans, they won the toss and posted 166 in 20 overs. In replay, the Rangers 163 for 8. Victory for the Titans by 3 runs.